So guys, we continue back from the previous video that we are running to all the file of the MEV. So right now, since we are using the private node, so we can't use on a public transaction scanner to see our past transaction. So this is the site that I am building. Just a simple UI interfaces. Just want to see the mapping, the road, and few of the design graphic. But this is just a simple way to see. And for this video I will show you each transaction hash that we extract from each transaction that we do just now. So we are going to apply the transaction hash into here to see the transaction pass. So in one single transaction, in normal swap, it's just a normal swap in single transaction, which is you swap to A to B, then you get the transaction hash. But MEV, with one transaction hash, you can see a lot of transaction paths that occur in one single transaction. So now I'm showing you, is that really happening in one single transaction, that actually making a lot of multiple hop strategy on different parts of the file. So now I'm showing you. So first we are taking the transaction hash that using for burn. Okay, here it is. So pretty much when you know how to do a program, you can do a lot of things actually. So now I adding the transaction hash on here and just click search. Boom, it will showing you a graphic and the transfer that occur just now. So we have a 1 2 3 4 5 6. So let me explain on here first what happened. This is a BEP20 transfer token details, and on the first transfer it come from my wallet to pool address for V2 on value of 0.2 BEP20. On second transfer it occur from pool address of V2. It's sending to burn pool, so it burn for 1% for 56.70. And third transfer it continue from same pool V2 sending to get another pool, which is sending to get love token 5618914, and then from that pool it's sending back to sender, which is my wallet here. It's sending back to earn the USDT in amount of 111.27, and then we continue to transfer to V3 pool, okay, to gain for what I call that USDT. We're sending USDT to earn back in WBNB, because we start with WBNB, we're ending with WBNB. So now on this design I'm actually creating a lot of style that we can use, and we can see pretty much on like this. So I will show you now. So we are going to start on here, following along until end. Alright, so this is the transaction that we use on burn token, the strategy pass, which is we start from my wallet sending 0.2 to pool V2, and then from pool V2 it's sending the 1% of burn transaction to the pool, and second on third transfer is sending from the pool, sending 5618 love token to another pool, and then from another pool sending back to my wallet, which is 111 USDT 2.7. Excuse for the design, I'm still doing my best. It's just a simple design. And third, from V3 is sending back to my wallet with 0.19, and from this is the arrangement from original from BEP20, but the actual transfer is it's sending here first, then this is the last one. Okay, so the MEV itself execute very well as what we expected based on the design. And as I said, if we want to make a profit, then we have to follow the transaction that make a profit on latest transaction. So if the latest transaction is doing double hop on v2 and single hop on v3 and have a mechanism, then we can call this by based on any token. So in that time when you follow, you can make a profit because you follow exactly same what they did. Alright, let's go to the next what we can see on here. We're sending on first, we're sending 0.2 here and then goes along to here and third here, fourth, fifth and sixth. Alright, so we have multiple showing a graph like this. So this is a watermark that's showing that this is not other people, this is mine, so I can do a lot of things. So now let's go for another transaction hash that we saved just now. Hold on, I'm taking another transaction hash to see. Okay, now we have another transaction hash that we can see right now. Alright, now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. This is one swap on v2, one swap on v3 and sending back to the router for the second video, you remember, right? So actually we send 0.1 on pool of v2, we start on v2 and we return back on WBNB what is the pass swap just now? I already forget. Okay, just see this first. So this is the amount we send 0.1 to the pool address, and second address from this pool is sending USDT back to my wallet as a sender, and then sending the amount of USDT to get back the WBNB. Alright, so we start with 0.1 and we end with 0.09. so this transaction in losses, but because this is we run on blindly transaction, but this transaction is real transaction. So as I said, if you want to make a profit, then we have to follow, we have to switch on our engine Backtrack v10 and we can follow up latest transaction and we can follow exactly what they do and we make profit same as amount, or we can upgrade the amount to another percentage. So yeah, so another strategy showing that it's worked well. Alright, so as I said before and I have told you many times, MEV itself, if you run, it won't give you any losses or any profit because it need to combine with a builder or spy mempool to ensure the transaction in profit. So just now what we do is we just run blindly just to show you how it can be done by using a manually running the script on the terminal. And after this video, might be tomorrow or another day, I will show you from scratch how I built, just for you guys to show you how I built main script to combine all together as one, and we can trigger all the transaction into profit. So once you bought it, I will teach you how you can combine with the builder and make a profit. So for this video, I'm showing you how you can use the script and all the script works well. Okay, so we use another transaction hash because we run a multiple transaction just now. So let's see another transaction. Yep, this is a transaction that came from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think this is the transaction that occurred on v2. Yeah, on 3 hop swap. So we send 0.001 and then from this pool address sending you 0.57 USDT to this address, and then sending the USDT amount to get this amount and return back in, you get 0.009 from here, 0.57. so which part is this? I think this is number 2 on v2 on 3 hop. So let's check on another transaction hash that we make just now. Now, this is a simple one. 1 leg, 2 leg, 3 leg. So this is a WBNB, MAO, BUSD, I think. Yeah. So this is a second transaction on V2. So we can see here. Alright, so the transaction for script works well. All works like we want based on the strategy pass. Now we see another strategy pass on here. Yep. First we send number 1. I think after this, if I have time, I would like to change the way how it's showing output like this. I want to make this address can turn into a name pool. I need an API call, I think, to make this to change from address into name, so easy to more understand, right? And we add a number on here on the sequences of numbers so we can observe more clearly. So by the way, is yeah, so 1 2 3 4. So the swap, everything is here. We can see pretty much in single transaction have a multiple hope and multiple strategy paths that occur on here. Okay, so there is a lot of single transaction. So let's see another transaction hash. We run a lot of multiple transaction just now. So this is the ending for transfer 4, I think, for the last one, right? 1 2 3 4. Yes, this is transfer 4, which handling in V2. All pool is V2. Okay, this is V2, this is V2, this is V2, and this is V2. So all transaction occur in V2 pancake. So it's sending 4 transfer, 1 2 3 4, 4 leg, 4 transfer in single transaction. So in one single transaction hash can showing you a lot of transfer. That means your MEV is work. Alright, if one single transaction hash only showing you 2 transaction like this, which means that it runs separately, it's not MEV. Okay, so but when you scan your transaction hash and showing you a lot of multiple strategy occur on single transaction, then that means your MEV is work. So now this is the MEV I have currently, so I can create another one on the way, actually, another new design, a new design system for all new incoming new script, incoming new MEV. I will give for free. You just need to update on the package, and you can do a lot of data research how you can turn on this MEV executor into a profit executor based on the builder. Alright, so yeah, I think this is the best I can do. I'm satisfied what I have done for today until now. Since from the last 3 years and until today, this is my best I can do. I think I can go jump to another level into Solana maybe for a while. So this is the transaction hash that I'm showing you right now. So I hope you guys can understand, and thank you very much to all of you for supporting me. And I think I need to upgrading more MEV in future. Okay, so guys, thank you very much. See you.